To begin with, cook the mutton mince in advance as it needs to cool down completely before using for filling. First, let's prepare the yeast mixture. We will need half a glass of warm water, 1 teaspoon each of sugar and active dry yeast. To prepare the dough, we will need all-purpose flour 2 cups, salt 1 teaspoon, olive oil 2 teaspoons. Mix these ingredients well. Now add the proofed yeast mixture and combine it well with these dry ingredients. Add in the water little at a time and start folding the dough together. If you feel the mixture is dry, add in some extra water and keep folding. Or if it gets sticky, dust some flour and continue to fold. Knead the dough for about 8 to 10 minutes until the dough is very soft and pliable. Transfer the dough to a greased ball and apply some oil on top of the dough as well, so that the dough doesn't dry out. Cover the ball with the cling film and place it at room temperature for about an hour or until the dough doubles in size. Once the dough has risen, take out the cling film, make a fist and push it gently into the center of the puffy dough to release the air bubbles. Fold the edges of the dough into the center and form it into a ball shape. On a dusted surface, divide the dough into 2 equal portions. Form each portion into a ball and set them aside. Take one portion of the dough, flatten it a bit and roll it into a thin disc of about 10-inch diameter and transfer it to a baking tray. Similarly, roll out the second portion of the dough. Once both the discs are ready, first place some filling at the center of the disc. The remaining filling should be placed a little away from the center, creating another circle around the center. Now, with the help of a rolling pin, take the second disc and gently place it over the first disc. Seal the edges by applying some water. To create the sun, take a glass and place it exactly on top of the filling at the center of the dough. With a knife, cut through the dough into 4 quarters, keeping the center intact as a circle. Then go into each quadrant and cut the dough into 16 equal stripes to form the petals. Now lift one of the petal and twist it over and turn it sideways. Be very gentle at this stage. Follow this process for the remaining petals. This is how it looks once done. Now, cover and allow it to fluff for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, brush it with beaten egg and sprinkle the sesame seeds on the center. Place it in the preheated oven at 180 degrees and bake it for about 30 to 35 minutes. Take it out once it turns beautiful golden brown and brush it with some melted butter, and a delicious sunflower mutton mince bread is ready to relish.